Good morning and welcome to another Hidden Gems screencast. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Syncom Smalltalk Product Manager. The purpose of the Hidden Gems screencast is to show developers useful techniques that may not be obvious. Hopefully you know about them, but if you don't, I think you'll find it very valuable. Today's screencast is about keyboard coding shortcuts. The techniques I discuss are part of the foundation, which means you can use them in both of our Smalltalk products. I'm using VisualWorks 8.2 to demonstrate. So often when coding, when you're in an intense flow state on the computer, the user wants to do as much as they can with the keyboard without resorting to the very capable but more time-consuming control that the mouse affords you. So today we'll show some simple but effective use of shortcuts that use the arrow keys. So the first thing you probably want to know is, well, where can I see what shortcuts are defined? If you come here to the settings icon, open the settings, go to key bindings, and we go to cursor movement. Here you'll see how things are defined. So let's go to a method, and of course we can move up, down, left, right with the arrow keys. Okay, what else can we do? Well, we can use control. I'm holding down the control key now, and if I move left, it moves basically by word increments, and it will jump to the next line. So this is often very useful to navigate through, and we can go left or right. You can also, of course, use end and home to move to the beginning of the line. You can use control home and control end to move to the top and bottom of the method. But let's focus a little more on the arrow keys. So we showed you the arrow keys, control left, control right. Now often if I need to put something in parentheses, I'm using the mouse now, I can highlight that with the mouse and then type a paren, and I've done that. To undo that, I can simply do the paren again. But now what if I don't want to resort to moving to the mouse, but I want to stay keyboard centric? Well, there's a nice way to do that. Control, if I just hit the key above it, the shift, control shift left, highlights the entire words, and then I can do the same thing. Likewise, I can highlight this to undo it, all on the keyboard. Another thing you can do is if you just shift, it goes key by key, so you can have that finer grain of control, but most frequently I think we use the control shift to select words. And that is today's Hidden Gems tip. What I want to know is if you have a favorite keyboard shortcut or technique, and I encourage you and welcome you to share. If you send any suggestions to athomas@syncom.com, credit is completely given to any contributors, and we welcome any of these techniques.